Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently I took up a trade in a stock called Cupid and I allocated around 34 lakhs in this trade and I made a profit of around 20% in over a week, and so the profit would be around 6 lakhs. Let me just explain you the entry, exit and the stop loss. But before that, please make sure to like this video and also let me know if I have to upload my 1 year profit and loss statement this month or in the month of July, because the last time I uploaded is July 2021. So I was wondering when to upload it. So you guys let me know in the comment section. I'll do it. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Cupid stock and explain my entry exits. So this is daily time frame of Cupid Limited. So let me just change that into weekly, and as you can see here, this is a major resistance line, a trend line 1 2 3 4 5. From December 2016, this trend line has been getting a lot of resistance, right? And this month this resistance is broken, and which is a good news. And also if you look at the bottom, during the corona, I think it's, oh no, not even corona, this is like July, so I think this must be the corona crash. Yeah, this is the corona crash. So this is the, I think probably due to fundamental reasons or something like that, and then it went up. And for the past 2 years, okay, from August 2020, sorry, not August, January 2020, this has been on a sideways trend, we can say, right? This box, this area has been, this is where the Cupid has been ranging, and this range was broken last week, and that is why I entered. Okay, major resistance line is broken, major range has been broken, and yeah, I mean, if you look at this, the volume is really good. Look at this candle, this candle, this candle. So yeah, that is just an indication. Okay, so if you look at it, these green candles and all, low volume candles, right? Low volume. The reason why I call it low volume candles is because there is a wick at the top. When I say strong candle, it just means that it is closing very strong. Okay, the close has to be very strong, guys. So after the breakout, this is, I was waiting for some retrace, so this is where I entered to 69 to 270. Okay, these retrace candle is where I entered. I allocated 34 lakhs, and after like what, couple of days or so, it went up and it has gone up like 20%. I'm still holding this stock, but I do not have any plans to hold it for a long time. My plan is to hit 1:2.5, something like that. So this is where my entry is. So this is where my stop loss is, below the trend line and below this swing low. Okay, and so far it is very close to 1:2. Probably I'll wait for 1:2.5 or 1:3 and then I'll exit. I have no plans to hold it for a very long time. I mean, no reason, I just feel it like that, because 1:2 is one and 1:3 is more than sufficient given my capital allocation on this trade. So the profit is around 6 lakhs. So I'll just place my screenshot here, and yeah, pretty much it, guys. So this is the reason why I entered, and let's have a quick look at Nifty. So this is how the Nifty is looking. So right from October month, it has been on a very good sideways trend. It's not a bear market, guys. Please, you have to understand there is a difference between a bear market and a sideways trend. This is a complete sideways trend, and so far so good, nothing bad. If you look at I mean, it's just on the sideways trend, guys. So only if this trend line is broken, Nifty can, clear all the all time highs, and then, move up like 18-19,000. Or if it takes a support, it can go all the way up to 15,000 if this medium channel is broken. So I hope it is not broken down, and so you just have to play accordingly as per the market condition. So nothing so bad or nothing so great, it is in between. So you just have to know how to play these structures, and select the right stock, because selecting the right stock is crucial. If you select a bearish stock, it's going to be hard to make money. So please make sure to select stocks that have good strength. When I say good strength, even when the market is falling down, the stock is like either in sideways trend or moving little up. Okay, that is called strength. So when the market is going down and the stock is falling so hard, that is a weak stock. Okay, that is the difference. Just make sure to note those stocks. Whatever the stock is moving up, you just note it down, and because when the market is going to go up, that is going to move up very fast. That's why. Okay, so if you guys are wondering if I posted the Cupid stock in my community, yes I did, and few made money. So if you would like to be a part of our community, please go and check out our website, justfortraders.in. You can join our membership and you can be a part of the community, and you get better in price action only by drawing a lot of patterns, only by going through a lot of charts. So this could be a good help for you. Being in a community definitely helps you, and to take good trades, to get familiarized with the price action and everything. So please let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section, and also like this video, and subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon. Thank you so much.